make $100 on YouTube without being in front of the camera. I know you're probably wondering, like, how is that possible? Now, there's a lot of people right now online who is crushing it here on YouTube, making $100 a day, $150 a day, 200, even up to $30,000 per month using the method that I'm going to share with you. Because there's a lot of people who are introvert and they're afraid of being in front of the camera. I was too when I just get started, but eventually over time, I started creating a video. So if you don't want to be in front of the camera, if you would like to make money on YouTube, you're always on YouTube anyways. You're always watching videos. So why not learn how you could crush it and how you can make money? So I want you to watch this video. Let's jump into it right away. So as mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day making videos without you being in front of the camera, so you don't have to film. So the name of this website is called Animoto.com. So Animoto.com, and what this does is it's a software. They have a lot of different videos, visuals, things that you can use that you can compile together, and you can make reel for videos to up to 30 minutes if you want to. So if you want to make them long, you could do that as well. But the reason why we're going to be creating these videos, because people are always want to learn and always want to learn more about a product, service, or something of their interest. So I'm going to get back to this video and I'm going to share with you exactly how we're going to put it together. I'm going to show you how to upload it. I'm going to show you how to find keywords and all that good stuff. So if you don't know anything about keywords and how to upload a YouTube video, you're in for a treat. So make sure you grab a seat. If you're not sitting down, hey, grab a seat right now. Grab a drink, get a pen, get paper, and let's jump into the video. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? You gotten this far in the video, you should already subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know that this is your first time or you've been here a few different times. So let's dive into the video. And this particular website is called muncheye.com. And if you don't know what muncheye.com, Muncheye is a particular website that has a lot of different affiliate products that you can promote and you can start making money. Now, the reason why we're going to go onto this website is because this website gives us a preview of all the products that are coming out in months in advance. So that's why we're going to be creating these videos. We're going to put them out there. And once we put them out there, guess what? People are going to be searching for the products on YouTube. So we're going to hijack the traffic of our competition. That's right. We're going to hijack those people that are looking all over the internet. I'm going to show you how to dominate the space and how to find different keywords that people are looking for. All right, let's jump into it. So right here, there's big launches. There's all launches over on this side. So you have all the launches and you have big launch coming up. So the big launch is something that, you know, maybe it's been around for a while and people are coming out with 0.2 or they're coming out with, you know, 0.3, or these are big marketers in the affiliate space. So of course they go big, they go huge, and they get it all hyped up. So that way people can go immediately and go buy the different products, all right? So if you look over to the big launches, you'll see a lot of different products and services. For example, this one right here, this is coming out July 28th, and this is Chris Munch. I don't know what that is, but the product is sold for $2,997 at 50%. So this is a huge high ticket that you can look into. There's one called Davin Michaels. This is a lead generation system. This is coming out on ClickBank. So if you look here on the left-hand side, you'll see ClickBank, you will see JVZoo, you see Warrior Plus. Those are the three websites that you need to sign up for. They're absolutely free, and if you don't have an account, I highly recommend you go sign up for one right after this video. And creating your account, make sure you put in your right information. So if you do get paid, you're going to be getting the money. All right. So right over here where it says Mario Soshi Cake Agency. There's Joshua Zamora. There's Sam Baker. There's Todd. So again, we can hijack these traffic, and we're going to be promoting several of these. And so that way, when these affiliates and other affiliates start doing paid ads, or they start sending people to their email list, because that's what they do. And then when people get those emails before they buy, what people do? People go over here on YouTube and they start to search for the actual product. So if we look over for this one, Joshua Samora, let's click on it. This is coming out on June 14th, looking at it. So it's coming out in less than 10 days. So it's coming out less than 10 days. We can start cranking out videos, put up videos of different things. And when people are searching for this type of information, they can find it. If you want to look at the JV Zoo special launch page, you can click on it as well, and he will give you some more information of how it works. So at any given time, you always want to promote the product that you feel comfortable with. I'm just using this as an example just for the video, but always do your due diligence. Remember, you can make $100 a day. You can make more than that. You can probably don't make any money if you don't put in any effort. That's how it works. So once you come here and you look at the JV Zoo product, front end sale, this is what it looks like. Commission is going to be 50, and you want to see what it's all about. So when you see what it's all about, you can listen to this video, look at the swipes you're going to be getting. This is the links you're going to be getting. This is email swipes, sales page preview, the launch doc. So if you click on the sales page preview, hang on right here. All right, sales page preview. I haven't seen anything. You can request your link right here. You can watch this video.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this video you're going to see how you can quickly collect big paydays by
Alright, so there we go. You can just listen to his videos, go through it if you want to be an affiliate for his products. Email swipes. These are some of the email swipes that he has available. 3 profit, testimonial angle, fast video. These are ranking, quick cash angle, all this stuff. So once we identify exactly what this product is, we can also get screenshots of these right here. We can get screenshot of this. We can get some of these because we're going to add them to the video. Now we're going to go over to where I just told you about. And since they are talking about traffic, we're going to search for traffic. We're going to be searching for traffic, and you'll see tons of different things. Like here, this will be good. All right, you just drag and drop. That's a photo. That's a photo. This is a video. Add a video right there. So far we got 12 seconds. We can add more. 35 seconds. Just keep adding traffic. And then since they're talking about traffic, right? And traffic doesn't mean car driving on the road, but you can use that for an angle as well. Okay? And then this is what the funnel looks like. 33. Yeah, so that's how it is. Front end, OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, OTO 4. So it's like downsell, upsells, going through the funnel, all that exciting stuff. So once you put that together, we go with traffic, we can type in money because, people always want to see, how the money is. So you can go here, you can drag that there, you can drag that picture there. Get some videos. You can drag that there. Put the mom and the daughter there. And you could just build it out. You could just take your time, just go through, just drag it. If I click on preview, it's going to take a while before it's in. So you can then go back to the muncheye.com and you could do the same thing for different products over and over again. Let me type in muncheye. All right, different products. You could do the same for this one. You could do the same for this one. For all of these, I am well builders, and just build it up, build it up. Now you can continue to edit. These are some of the sounds. You can add sound if you want. You can, put title, change the title if you want. You can do the ratio if you want to do. You always want to do landscape because it's going on YouTube. There's filter. There's music if you want to change the music. So remember, these are copyright music that you can use, right? It's royalty free, and the owners for these music give permission and everything. And if you want to upgrade as well, you can upgrade to where you do the logos. They're only going to give you so much, but it's free. So you can compile some videos together. You can edit, add some text and all that. Once you do that, you're going to download the video. And then when you download the video, now we're going to head on over to YouTube. So we're going to go to YouTube. We're going to click here where it says create, upload a video. You're going to upload the video. You're going to drag a video. You're going to put it right there. Now we're going to give it a title. So the title we're going to give it, it's called My Traffic Jocker 2.0. Okay? So My Traffic, I'm just using this video for the sake of the video. My Traffic Jocker 2.0. I'm just using this as a background. My Tracker 2.0 review. You can get some of the information from his page. So go back here, grab some of the information. Let me just go back. So some of these things you can grab and you can add them to the description. Go back to the video, add that to the description. Jazz it up. So make sure you always put your affiliate link in the second row, like right here. Put your affiliate link. You can create a video where it says, okay, that's what I wasn't gonna upload it. File is being duplicated because I uploaded that video before, so that's why. You can put My Traffic Jacker 2.0 review, My Traffic Jacker, and in the keyword section, I'm gonna delete this. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh man. Let me delete this video because YouTube ain't having it. I'm not having it either. So let me delete this forever. Let me delete that right away. All right, so once you upload the video, there's going to be a part where you need to add your keywords, right? I don't know, for some reason, YouTube is acting up a little bit, so that's why I can't show you, but you can always find keywords, and you can type in this where it's called keyword research. Keyword research tool. It used to be free, but it's not free anymore. So they're charging for it. All right. So here's like an alternative that just came out that you can type in. How to make money Once you type in how to make money, you'll get quite a number of, see, you get a lot of different keywords that you can use, keywords that you can put right into YouTube when you're uploading the video. And then once you're done, you just click on upload and the video is going to be there. So now you're going to find tons of people, because remember, these guys are going to be launching. There's other people going to be promoting this stuff. So you have people promoting it left, right, and center. And again, people go to Google, people go to YouTube. They're going to see your product. They're going to see that you're advertising it. And all you have to do is just put your affiliate link there. Just put as much information about the product. So when they're watching the video, they're reading what you wrote. And that way they can say, okay, this sounds like it's a good deal. So you just put them up there and leave them. People are just going to start buying it because you have a ton of different people getting, looking for this type of stuff. And again, you could still go through and you could do these videos, all of these stuff, do these videos and make them your own. And that's how you're going to be making $100 per day without even you filming your own self. You're not going to be on the video. You're not going to be on the camera, but you're going to be utilizing the videos that you have and just implement it. So check out my other videos. Hope you enjoy that. If you're looking for my number one recommendation and you're looking to take things to the next level, check out the first link in the description. I'll send that over to you and then we'll get rocking and rolling. Peace.